Do you have 5 minutes and you want a salad? I've got the recipe for you. This recipe is seasonal on so many different levels. So I live in the South. There are farm stands all over town selling raw shelled pecans. So I had some of those that I stopped and picked up the other day. I also have a garden that grows all my greens. So again, something intensely seasonal there, but you can always pick some up at the store. And the dressing is gonna use leftover homemade cranberry sauce. The cranberry sauce is gonna make this dressing. So with my homemade cranberry sauce, I already added orange, I already added ginger, I already made it sweet, it already has that zest of the cranberries in it. So to make a salad dressing out of that, I have very little heavy lifting to do to get something that tastes complex and refreshing. So that's the catch. If you don't have cranberry sauce, you can always use some recipe and make some homemade right now. So I have a link down below and up in the cards for you if you want to go make it yourself. So let's get into this. I toast the pecans with a small amount of melted coconut oil and a sprinkle of salt. This is optional. You can also toast these plain. I lay them on a single layer on a cookie sheet and put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 4 minutes, then I stir once, then 4 more minutes on the other side. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of vinegar into a blender and blend it with half a cup of cranberry sauce. If you use store-bought cranberry sauce, consider adding in some orange zest or ginger at this point. It's also fun to experiment with different vinegars. Balsamic and apple cider are the 2 I've tried, along with lime juice if you just want a fruitier vinaigrette. Checked out my YouTube channel and subscribed, head over that way and do so. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye for now.